Guys, I'm happy today because I just got some good news and I'm happy because this has been long overdue. But hold on. First, let me introduce myself because I have never done that. So guys, my name is Teresa and I have one child. She's 20, but she's still my child. So I have one child. I enjoy cooking, as you guys know. I love to cook. I love my belly. I'm greedy. Yes, I said it. I'm greedy. So I love to cook. I also love to decorate. And this is my background. I shared it with you. But I'm just gonna go around my house, show you a little bit of that also because I don't show you guys enough. And say what I want to say in the meantime. Um, Hope it not distract me, but I'm gonna try my best. So what I want to share with you guys is that I just got monetized on YouTube. And why am I feel so good is because I've been trying to get monetized on YouTube for 5 years. 5 years. So that is why I'm excited and every win is a win. Even though I'm not making money on YouTube, I am still, you know, trying my best to do my best. And guys, if any of you have any suggestion, you can leave it down in the comment section. So because I need that. I need all the help I can get when it comes onto YouTube. That is the only platform that I am really struggling with. So that, yeah, and I'm here to share. I am also here to share with you guys 5 things I would do if I wanted to create content, get paid. All right, let me rephrase that. Here are 5 things I would do if I was just starting to create content today. So the five. Why am I struggling? Why am I struggling? Okay, take a deep breath. 5 things I would do if I was starting over when it come on to creating content. And the first thing is I would find a content that is savable and something that I do every day so that it can make my life easier. So, savable. And when I say savable, like me doing cooking, people are going to save it because they're going to want to come back to that video to see the ingredients, see the steps and stuff like that. So that's when I say savable thing content, something that people are going to want to go back and watch. So that's one. Two, I would figure out what platform I was going to post on. That pays. And when I say that, or why I say that, I've been posting on Instagram for years and I wasn't getting paid because Instagram not pay one shit. And I've been doing that for years and nobody told me. I didn't do no research because I didn't know at the beginning that you can get paid to you can get paid to be posting content. I didn't know. So I was posting for years without getting paid. So that's something you would dig into because you don't want to do this shit for free. And thirdly, figure out how you're gonna post on all the platform that you choose so that it doesn't drain you because it can be draining. So that's something else you have to figure out. For me, I would go YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Those are the three platforms I would choose if I was starting over today. I would build my long form content, post it on YouTube, then try to chop it down into like a 1 minute video, post on TikTok, and then I'll post the rest on Facebook. And if I want to go Instagram, fine. I heard that Snapchat pays, but I don't really do Snap, so that's something you can look into also. Fourth, build a community. Hold up the camera like how me I hold it up now. This is something I haven't. People don't know me and them. People don't know nothing more. Build a community. Hold up the camera to your face. Show yourself. Build a community. Make them see your flaws and all. don't be afraid, because when you have a community, it's better. People come and them talk to you and them encourage you, them push you. Sometimes you find friends, you can find even boyfriend. I'm just saying, I'm not saying you should do that. I'm just explaining something to you. Build a community, because you never know who is out there and what they have to offer. So that's something else I think you guys should look into when thinking about this whole content creating thing. 5. I don't remember. I'll grab my paper. Whatever paper. Oh God. Oh, can I forget this one? Be consistent. Be consistent. And why I left that one for last is because when I started creating content, I just came to the US. I didn't have any papers, and I decided to start posting because that's the only thing I could do at the time. I couldn't work. I couldn't do a lot of things. So the only thing I could do at the time was create content. So I started to create content, and I didn't even know if I was going to continue, but I did. Then when I say consistent now, I got a divorce. And while I was going through that divorce, I stopped posting. I stopped posting for like 2 years, and that messed up a lot of things. Because when you start back, it's gonna seem like you are just starting. So you want to be consistent, and it doesn't matter what you're going through. And that's why I said build a community. Because when you build a community, it is easier for you to talk about what you're going through without feeling any type of way. When you have a community, you can share what you're going through with them, and they'll accept you. And while I was going through the divorce, I stopped posting, and I got out that situation, but then I went into another situation. I wasn't comfortable where I was, so I stopped posting again. And if I had a community, I know you guys would have stick it out with me, and I would feel comfortable to post wherever I am. But because I didn't build a community and I wasn't sharing certain things with you guys, that led me to stop posting. So everything I'm saying to you come in, and I've learned that over the years because of what I was going through, right? So hope this helps someone. Hope you guys figure it out and just start posting. So I'm gonna run over what I just said because that was a lot, and I'm trying to show off my little place in the background and all of that. So so 1, get savable content to post. Savable content. That's what you want. 2, figure out where you want to post. And I would post YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat. That's where I would post. Find out how you're gonna post to make your life easier. I would do YouTube first. Create that long content, break it down to 1-minute videos, share it on TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. Then I'll build a community. I'll doing all of that. Build a community. Build a community where you and people can relate, and we can talk about things that you're going through, so that you don't feel overwhelmed or drained while doing content. And last, be consistent. No matter what you're going through, don't be afraid to share it with others and keep going. So those are the tips I would give you guys, and those are the things I would do if I was starting all over again. Guys, thank you for being here, and guys, remember to support my channel. Like the video, comment, do whatever you can